Hello children, let's do a very easy flower pot drawing today. To start with, we just need to draw a rectangle exactly in the middle of our sheet. I'm doing here directly with the marker, but you can do with the pencil first and then you can trace it. So you can see here is a rectangle exactly in the middle. As this pot drawing will be a symmetric drawing, which means both the sides will be same. So for our ease, we can draw a straight line in the middle. And then we can get an idea of how distant both the lines should be. So I'm just drawing one line here and one line here and a curved line at the bottom. And some straight lines maintaining same gap everywhere we have to draw. Now at the top, we can just, instead of drawing proper flowers, we can just make it designer by spiral lines in circles, and it can depict flowers for us. This is like table at the bottom on which the pot is kept. Here we can just add some butterfly. Now let's start coloring. Just need to erase this reference line in the middle. We can use markers or pencil colors for these drawings, as we need a fine tip thing for doing the drawings. So I'm just using this marker. So here I'm just drawing these spiral lines, different colors. Now we can just use different colors for different flowers. So wavy lines, scallop lines, loop lines. Here we can just add zigzag lines, or we call it mountain lines. And the bottommost we can simply use straight lines. Now let's color the butterflies. We can add colors from our choice here, as there is nothing hard and fast, and we can add designs also from our choice. Here again we can use just another color in the similar manner. Now in this table bottom part, we can just do spiral lines with different colors, and we can fill up this space. So it will be like a designed table for us. So randomly I'm just adding some spiral lines here and there. Small and big all size. And here in the background we can just add some circles randomly to make it look beautiful. Yellow or any other color can be used as well. children, this drawing is complete, where we have used all different kind of lines and basic shapes for the drawing. I hope you have enjoyed doing this art with me. We'll connect again with more art. Thank you.